Here's what you need to know about what is link aggregation. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Link aggregation combines multiple physical network links into one logical link. This increases bandwidth and provides redundancy. If one physical link fails, traffic continues over the remaining links with no disruption. Link aggregation is also called port channeling or bonding. Key concept: bundling multiple links. Link aggregation groups two or more Ethernet ports into a single logical interface. The switch treats the bundle as one connection. This multiplies available bandwidth. Four 1 Gbps links become one 4 Gbps logical link. Key concept: built-in redundancy. If one physical link in the bundle fails, traffic automatically redistributes across the remaining links. There is no failover delay because all links are active simultaneously. Key concept: load balancing. Traffic is distributed across all links in the bundle using a hashing algorithm based on source, destination MAC, IP, or port. This prevents one link from being overloaded while others sit idle. Key concept: static versus dynamic aggregation. Static aggregation, manual, requires both sides to be configured identically. Dynamic aggregation uses LACP to automatically negotiate the bundle parameters and detect misconfigurations. Let's look at the full breakdown. Two-link bundle. 2x1 Gbps = 2 Gbps logical. One link can fail, still connected. Common for access layer uplinks. Four-link bundle. 4x10 Gbps = 40 Gbps logical. Up to 3 links can fail. Common for core distribution uplinks. 8-link bundle. 8x10 Gbps = 80 Gbps logical. Maximum LACP bundle size, used in high-traffic data centers. Here's a real-world example. A company's core switch connects to the distribution switch using a single 10 Gbps uplink. During peak hours, the link is saturated at 100%. The team configures a 4-link LACP bundle, 4 10 Gbps ports bundled into one 40 Gbps logical connection. Traffic is now distributed across all 4 links, eliminating the bottleneck and adding redundancy. Quick recap before you go. 1. Link aggregation bundles multiple physical links into one logical interface. 2. Increases bandwidth by combining the capacity of all member links. 3. Built-in redundancy. Traffic continues if one link fails, with no delay. 4. Load balancing distributes traffic using MAC, IP, or port hashing. 5. Static aggregation = manual config. Dynamic aggregation = LACP negotiation. That's what is link aggregation? Covered. Exam tip. Link aggregation goes by many names: Ether channel, Cisco, port channel, bonding, or NIC teaming. On the exam, all refer to the same concept, combining multiple links into one logical connection for bandwidth and redundancy. Next up, what is LACP? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.